Okay guys, this is a 2022 Subaru WRX Limited. Rebuilt title, front end damage. It was wrecked at 10,000 miles. It's got like 30 something on it now, so been driven out. Customers had no problems with it. It's actually bought from me a couple years ago. WRX is all-wheel drive. This is an automatic, which is hard to find if you don't want that manual trans. $35, 110 on the miles. Adaptive cruise. Backup camera, heated seats, dual climate control, all your power options, key. Does have the sunroof here. All windows are automatic. Harman and Cardan sound system.